My name is Levi Sauerbrei. I'm a technology professional with over 20 years experience helping individuals and organizations better understand the technology that affects their lives and businesses. As a consultant and trainer, I've worked with businesses and nonprofits of all sizes to take more control of their organizations through better use of technology. As a speaker, I presented on 3 continents on topics such as digital marketing, social media for business, and the most effective way to move your business into the cloud. If your company or organization would like to do more with the technology you already have, make smarter decisions about what technology to adopt, or learn the latest trends in the digital world, I'd love to speak with you.
But it's still at the center of so much of the communication we have, particularly with outside organizations. And you're going to have to sit down with them from a requirement standpoint, but you're also going to have to sit down with them from a culture standpoint of saying, I would like to give you access to a portion of my accounting system, to a portion of my design team's process, so that you can see where we are at with the work we're doing for you.
Technology is supposed to make our lives and our jobs easier, but too often we get overwhelmed by a dizzying array of apps, services, websites, devices, connected gadgets, and other technology that just doesn't seem to have a purpose. Whether you have a group of 5 or 5,000, from beginner to advanced users, I would love to sit down and help you understand how technology can make your world a little better.
I want to encourage everybody to go back and think about the one problem you're having in your business that has to do with time poorly spent. She's been open for a year. She went from 0 to 17 employees and a new storefront and all of these things. And I said, you've got the tiger by the tail. Like, what happened? She said, every morning I throw the sheets over my head and don't want to talk to anybody. Because there are so many things to do now as that business grows that you can't keep up with all of it. But your processes evolve organically because you're just running as fast as you can. So go back and think of one thing that's taking too much of your time. Your customer service might be unique. Your product might be unique. There are very few things about the business processes of most organizations that are different than the business processes of every other organization. You invoice people, you collect money from people, you pay money to people, you have email, you have a chat room, you have a financial ledger. Your financial ledger is a spreadsheet. So you're not locked in, you can move your data from point to point, and there's a big movement among cloud providers to make that a selling point.